Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to the channel for Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to merge cell in Excel. Let's look at our example here. For example, you have four fruits over here, but you want to make this word into the middle, but you have only first cell with three other cell blank. And to make it in the middle, you can merge the cell into one. To do this, you have to highlight this four cell and go to Home tab and click on Merge and Center. Once you merge and center, it will become one cell and it will be at the middle as you want. It will look much more better than being at the first cell. So if you want to undo it, you just same, you highlight the cell and click again on merge and center. It will be undo. The action will be undo. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.